Hello YouTube, MUFC here, and I'm back again in the video. So Sky Sports sources, Ryan Sessegnon of significant interest to Manchester United if the Fulham stance changes. So let's get straight into this transfer news. So Sky Sports News understands that Man United are showing significant interest in Fulham teenager Ryan Sessegnon, who remains a target for Tottenham. So the 17-year-old is one of the leading young talents in English football, having already made 26 Sky Bet Championship appearances, and he represented England at under-19 level. So Sessegnon, who can play anywhere down the left-hand side of the pitch, was part of England's victorious Euro Under-19 Championship winning side and has since signed his professional deal at Craven Cottage. So Sky Sports News reported last week that Tottenham remain firmly interested in Sessegnon, a player that they have targeted for more than a year, but should he become available, Spurs appear certain to face competition from Manchester United, whose manager Jose Mourinho is a keen admirer of. Sky sources also understand that United will allow Sessegnon to continue his education at Fulham this season by loaning him back to the West London club. However, Sky Sports says that Fulham's stance on Sessegnon remains, with owner Shahid Khan unprepared to sell the teenager even if a bid of 25 million is received. So, the owner doesn't want to sell Ryan Sessegnon, he wants to keep him at Fulham, but it's up to, obviously, at the end of the day, it's up to Ryan Sessegnon if he wants to leave, and if they change the stance on him. If we do sign him and loan him back, that's technically them having him again, so that would be a good move. And he's primarily played left back and left wing for them, and he's a very good player obviously, but he's young with potential, and I think, in my opinion, we need someone that's of proven quality. He's gone for the future, but we need one for right now. We're not really quite cutting it. Obviously Luke Shaw's to come back for Manchester United, so that would be a great addition for us. But anyways, Ryan Sessegnon has been linked to a move to Manchester United. Please like, subscribe. It's been MUFC Legend, and I'll see you guys later.